So in this video I'm going to show you the sound that I heard. It was 28th of February before dinner. I was in the epicenter of Mortar Airstrike with my DJI Mini 2 drone. So I was like this, I was like taking my drone. Take off. I was flying above some buildings to have a look at the road. And then suddenly I became the epicenter, the target of Mortar Airstrike. So it was something like this. Shells flying, lying around. So this is how it looked like. Let's see. Only staircase left. Oh. Staircase, why are you still here? It looks more like juice rather than fire, I don't know. See, it's not missing, I don't know why. Oh, sure. That's it. Actually, there have been less shells, but I was forced to use this amount of shells because my shells in this simulation, they are pretty not very powerful.